Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about different software testing types. First type that we're going to talk about is unit testing. Unit testing is the testing type that focuses on individual components or modules of the application. It makes sure that each individual unit functions correctly, and it's mostly done by the developers. So that's in a nutshell about unit testing. Next type of testing is integration testing. Integration testing is about testing the parts of the application that interact with each other, that are integrated with each other. You would want to make sure that the two parts that are working together are actually working together. So that's why it's called integration testing, and it's mostly done by the quality assurance engineers. Next testing type is smoke test. Smoke test is focused on the main functionalities of the application. So before you go into a deeper level of testing, you would want to make sure that the basic functions of your applications are working correctly, and you would want to run them daily to make sure your application is stable enough to go into a deeper level of testing. So that's in a nutshell about smoke testing. Next one is regression testing. So regression testing is the testing type that ensures that your application or the features in your applications are working as expected after you add a new feature. So let's say you add a new feature, but you would want to make sure that the previously existed features are working as expected. So basically after adding a new feature or after updating your application, you would want to run regression tests. Next testing type is alpha testing. Is done by the internal teams of the company, usually done right before it gets released to the actual end users that are going to be using the application. Part of the alpha testing, you can think of user acceptance testing. So it gets done right before the beta test. And where the beta testing comes in is we are giving the beta version of the application to the small group of people that are actually external users that are going to test the application and provide feedback. So before you release your application to the bigger population, you want to make sure that it's kind of tested by the smaller group. You get the feedback, you improve on it, and then you release to the wider population. So that's in a nutshell about these 6 software testing types. There are a lot more out there, but we're just focusing on kind of like functional testing types at the moment. So thank you so much for watching.